guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Amy. I'm a mom, wife, small business owner. I love to make motivational and inspiring and helpful videos to make your life easier. So I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Tonight I'm making a super easy, low carb ketogenic recipe with 6 ingredients and 2 dishes. Super simple. So you're going to need a casserole dish, a pan, as well as some broccoli. This is frozen. I thawed it out and it's just so much easier that way. It's 2 bags. You're going to need some type of ground meat. You can use ground turkey, ground chicken. This is ground beef. I generally don't use ground beef, or I don't eat it personally, but we had it, so I'm making it. My husband can take it for lunches. You're going to need some black pepper as well as some sea salt. You could always use Himalayan salt. Everything that I recommend is always customizable. I had this cream cheese in the fridge. You can use regular cream cheese, but this is what I had on hand, so I decided to just use it up before it went bad. And lastly, you're going to need some mozzarella cheese. You can use cheddar, whatever shredded cheese you want. So we're going to go ahead and get started by browning the ground meat on the stove. I didn't use any oil. I just went ahead and cooked it up. Next, I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven just so it's ready to go. So we're going to preheat it to 350 and I have it on convection. Next, we're going to place the broccoli into the casserole dish, and I'm just going to go ahead and dollop, or whatever you would call it, the cream cheese. Add the ground meat. The ground meat's temperature will help to melt the cream cheese. Just going to mix that all up, and then I'm going to add the remaining amount of cream cheese. Get that all stirred up. Next, I'm going to add some salt and pepper and give it another stir. And then I'm just going to top it off with the mozzarella cheese. And I wasn't shy with it. Put it in the oven. It's going to be in the oven at 350 degrees like we had already preheated for 20 minutes. And here is the final result. Crispy cheese my family likes, so we did leave it in the full 20 minutes. My son and my husband, my son's 9, both loved this dish and ate it for lunch the next day. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you give it a try, let me know and tag me on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!